Ooh. About your bar, no, I share my wife. I know it's a Wednesday, and you die, you show. I'm moving in, Kobe. Yes. Yeah, Nancy. Switch.
Allah.
Wallahi. Omu tiri be hye omu konya na omu tena wo parliament no. Because patapa de ye na ye patapa o. Ye na ye patapa. Ye omu di moja na omu di dware ye na omu di omu di independent wo krom ha. Ana National Democratic Congress. Nti ye no blood no moja na omu di adware ye. Nti so omu pe patapa ye na ye patapa. Omu no omu sie free enchen.
Bibintra.
Melo
Allah.
Wallahi omu tiri be hye omu konya na omu tena wo parliament no. Because patapa de ye na ye patapa o. Ye na ye patapa. Ye omu di moja na omu di dware ye na omu di independent wo krom ha. Ana National Democratic Congress. Nti ye no blood no moja na omu di adware ye. Nti so omu pe patapa ye na ye patapa. Omu sie free enche melo.
Allah.
Wallahi omu tiri be hye omu konya na omu tena wo parliament no. Because patapa de ye na ye patapa o. Ye na ye patapa. Ye omu di moja na omu di dware ye na omu di independent wo krom ha. Ana National Democratic Congress. Nti ye no blood no moja na omu di adware ye. Nti so omu pe patapa ye na ye patapa. Omu sie free enchen.
Bibintra.
Honestly, this is now getting out of hand. Okay, this is now getting out of hand. Why? Why is it that our leaders don't even care about us now? Like, why? It's because you people don't suffer to get anything. That is why you don't care about us. We started complaining about this light issue. What pisses me off is one person came to sit on the internet and tell us that the gadget he used to energy. Look, my house, right? Me in my house, I don't have air conditioning. My fridge is off. I don't use my sewing machine. I don't use I don't use any gadgets. I used to buy 300 and 400 and something CDs. Now, you people said we should buy it in bulk. I bought 500 CDs. It's less than a month. The light is finished. Why? Like, why? Some of us even suffer to get 3 square meal. Why? Rent is high. You can't rent a semi car.
What that diamond you try light be you be I told you animal free. Yenny nim light, papa be a demo Ghana has say na light na the chak Africa you do man son. As light be bana won't mean piano. Ya ko catch as our presidential staffer. Yeah, the taxpayers' money in the hell. What that diamond you try like be you be a told animal free. And why check when I can come out with the chair. Who got trench ref and one man I can come out with the chairs. Ah, Sananaya down 12 and Nanaya Quahabros and Wayo. Naki come out with the chair. Ye Ghana £4 to let me mistake to be pow.
Yanchen, within 2 more to me, Pamelo.
Allah.
Wallahi, Omudia to the best share or Mukonya or Mutina or Parliament. Because Patapadia, Yana Patapao. Yana Patapa, Omudi Moja, no Modi Jari, and Omudi independent will clone her. And our National Democratic Congress. Into Yano, blood no Moja no Modia Jari. Into some more Patapa, Yana Patapa. Almost free and chain.
Bibintra.
Almost yanchen bibin ti omo ntimi ye wu even ne kura me ye oba so omo ja me no afanya obedwane
Allah
obedwane
bukumba
buku wo ba wallahi na carry the ichi
one
melo
Allah
wallahi omu tiri be hye omu konya na omu tena wo parliament no because patapa de ye na ye patapa o ye na ye patapa ye omu di moja na omu di dware ye na omu di independent wo krom ha
when Malemi Abaluwa. Ala, did it. No, Shumoga, Abaluwa, Sanguina. I wish I could speak. I wish I could me can cry perfectly. Oze patapa near the. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Thank you very much for joining. For the records, it did Okatakyie Afrifa mensa and next show no. Nasingo bad. Nasingo, how you doing, my darling? Me who say Yvonne Zuma or say, but Penyah would do an intellectual exercise, no war. Yes, I know that. Young Richards or say MG Rav Joy, but you can't talk. In Shiraba Anelka 123. Let's move. Alfie and in okay, KK so Ohene. Deontay Afi said, tell her the MPP has crazy women like her. Penyah won't stoop so low. Charles Dankwa, we are here to listen to wisdom. We are ready. Nana speak. Okay, Charles. Thank you. What's in a J? Such a you less woman. Okay. My favorite person watching you from South Africa. No, Agbedu. Oima say one powerful bracket two. Oima want to say. Efia ya kose. Okay, Efia ya kose the youth president. Efia. Oh, dear mama, dear masum. Tobet. Chumes was to tell them, I'm sure you miss General. And check. Abroswa 3 months' time, I will be in Ghana. I am tired already. My bre America. Ose Kofi Popsy say, please, kindly help the teachers that owe us arrears. Okay, 14 months. I can't want them. I'll no bet you and go to where's the voice I am waiting for this Wednesday? And here, Gilbert. Domenyo Nadia no by Yao Ando Ampel Okatakyie, you are doing good job for the country. Yao Meda has say Abdul Wahab, okay, Jandam government, Alkaline, Riches Nadebaya, Ignatius Nanao Dumo, thanks for the good job you are doing. Pakwasi Sam Angel Tuga, show Papa more fire. Pakwasi, thank you. Akosia Kwabia, not every voice needs a microphone. Akosia Emudia here, Obani Diana, okay. Belson every year, Yabua said the voice of the voiceless. Fred Oseibo, so good evening, and I'm watching you live from Stratford, London. Chamba Joel Roski said, we are here to listen to, okay? 1, 2, 3, Shabasa Fragadama Bain. That's true. Young Riches, only sensible people watch this show. I don't know, even foolish people are allowed to watch it because they need the impact more. Sensible people, they need it, but the foolish ones are the ones who needs the impact more. Kaswa is with you, Eric Owusu Bonda. Okay, Eric, Yabuasi, the youth president, you are doing great. Thank you, Seth Intia Jakum. Ghana politics, of course. Oyine, I've missed your backing vocalist, Jacqueline Jess. Jacqueline, backing vocalist in Enche, they will join me because I'll be coming home. I'm coming home. Coming home, tell them I'm coming. You see, and this in a day, me buy a year. Okay, in one breath, obeti you see MPP na de me buy ye. In another breath, obeti you say adwani ma say odwene ho a kwachira. Osha NDC mumu na de me buy because said the name the heat at 2 NDC so no. Baby a wadwene be ku bia ye okay. Whether NDC na dem buy you, whether MPP na dem buy you. Whether me and me ba ebia no, I'll be coming home in May because home, sweet home. Yes, I want to come back home. My bread. And Krofo no 4 walls. Mo pe ha ba ne yeka mo ntiase gese obantina lumba eto nyum no. Odakisi onto awia bio na suno mu no bewu da asem sebe ka hunu se bibi de akire. Me de nyiskasem. Nemo ma adesua a me ba besua eno na de ma ba betena awo yi mu wo kwa agi se o hihye ho se bodam ni krofo pani ampa wo krowe pass ya ye Africa yi a ye Ghana yi a enye kuro se dasani bia timi bam so obebo brada ne ka wo ntiase kuro a wunye obi ne mo nkomo kuro a wunye obi unhia dasani. So isolated the society. Uko school, no one show them. Uko school, no one show them. Na suno yi show. I wanna wash show. Wash them. Grant one show. Who say them ni? Ni eka want ya say. Yenye kuro yi nso esi yenye kuro yi. Krono. Yedi tumi mu omuso omunso manfo no a. Enkoladie krono enkoladie yeni bibi papa bi aboa man no toda areho ebise se o man we pa America ni Germany ni ade se dia won tie ni wo mu chese bibi kitwa bi wo mu nya awia kakra bi na wo ni age ye die awia yi bossa ye nwene ade wo fa akire wa no wate bofra no wadi no aso bi enkrofo ekuro nso one plania unya utimi nya bibi ni eti bible ka so ntatia ko ayi okwasia ho ne kosua nyansa aborofo ne nasua bie ebiso omode no omanya awia ye 3 months ye die awia ya bo abone botugu keke yanwene ebisa one plane suno obebei obehwe nkrofo na eniema hyehye wo moka anim oduru ba bi wotima no ode adwiri na okone ye die anopa awia nwumre wona mo fa hwe nhye ne ka anim nkodwiri hwe enti adwene ne nwene wo mo ba school so ha wo mo ba school ha ba enipa no adimo anim no nyina MPPO NDCO ya ba school ha ba ye nya akwanya se yemra mesum nipa no a sikadie anki yaye man yiye pa na batan awo papa yaye man yiye na school papa yaye man yiye na nya sikadie ne nkoladi a we ekura anke nipa betina depression ko a wahwe wall ahwe media mi ko school ya na be hyem dem ha menya ba bia anko Ghana nso anya hwe no fa asare ho Kings bi ho no a wo benya nkomo abo wo beti kota ebetu depression so yanwene yenye sika yese president nua akwa akoto de ben ne fa he kosi he na no ye twese kadechie ni ba be ka bie ni aba betwi adapa enso asam me jaka nya yi president nua ya na ayi John Mahama ban first one yi wo ma de ye friend say Waba first one back 2013 die. Wo free so na wagu UMB. Ne company for thieves mo beka ya UMB. No akobo bosia Universal Merchant Bank. Ama Universal Merchant Bank at that time was insolvent. And then ma for thieves for bebeje. All of a sudden yetimi anya sika 70 million akoto private jet. Ye koka amamfo ne se o na ye jealous ne fa. Hey, President Nwaya na ne company no wo ye ne ade time adwoma ama e ba be free so no no wa ma checks bro be miensa na ya wo de ko bank na adwiraguo ye tua kura na nyi enso woni ho akoka e be ka se libre manfo no kura ntiase manfo no ye ntinioma na ekoso na se eti ye gi omusika no a ye disika ni di na ya peka kra bi de agwirigwiri ba bi ne de amu wo je 10,000 wo je 5 years wo ye philanthropist wo ya de pa momo munsa manuel ni aboye nse wama sabre su ni etu omu gold ewo eye black voter ye tu gold no wa no accountability. President nua no se gabi o kire da ko na je eye omade ne friend say woje ayi gold mines ni free ayi di ma wono ane ho and akufo do anka Ghana fo anu o mbetwe nyasem ketwa yeti kroma president ne enua company wo ma yire nkrofo agi gold mines free o monsa ni eboye nsam o ni eboye nsam o is a president nua no ene ayi celebrities ni ade ne ye free ne ya twene nye okumu omukura no omu angasa sa nipa no okumu omu no asa no beko eze me majai mikuro mo asante agona ana mede mani akere wia mo ase na mede mani akere so omu de ye media no omu o meda eye fom me ye sei meda uncompleted building mu kokwa asikurasi ni ne ba ne ade omu minnim omu sun metiase edi ze mu awon bi a omu ne meko na agya me no makwadwundwun oni aye disi why na ye kan ni ade no amenkan si sudua se NPP for eye mo registration no ma sha ase na mo ye no ma hwe ya MPs bi tie de mekan yi ma hwe ya MPs bi di omo parochial interest MPP General Secretary Justin Kodua Frimpong MPP Nanabi National Organizer, National Chairman, Acting Ayi Chairman Bute, Director of Elections, Aya already Evans Nimako. Adiano Amopesa Moye, Dr. Mamadou Baumia, Adiana Mopesa Moye na MPP base in the year Akono. Na MPP base in the side Jina and Naso. It must yamfa Aya registration in polling centers, na polling centers, no. And making sure so bet me register Nipana and Crofo Kwandoso Mobeba party, no. Manwe ya MPC bi di omo parochial interest be say sa agenda no ekwan ya mo fa so a mo se mo pese nkrofo bebre ba na wo mo ba betua ye frade ne say dues ema party ni nya more membership dues no manwe ya MPC bi di omo parochial interest e be say sa adwuma no wate omo be se be registration wo eye grounds ho omo nim se ye biam ye kwa registration wo grounds ho a anwe ya no omo executives no omo wo ho no ye makwan se ento police station ba yakotu omo etu omo atam books no ahwe omo tuom omo atam books no ahwe omo tuom ana omo ye do omo pe ai omo atam ahwe omo tuom ana omo ye do omo pe we me ye figya sekire east de me de mani ade akire fe metia enso me wo ho hey ye be ma party na ya akono wo ho why Efijase Chiris, ebe ya kono kama. Efijase Chiris ebe ye fiko Victor Osu na ni seat no. Ebe sa back to the Ghanaian politics properly. Sadi atna wa ye ayi wenchi ayi buzi a seat. Yatna wa ye anajo manasem ayi krokro de John say ni ade na ya ba be buzi a seat akodi NDC ho no. Ye ntna wo nhwe ma Victor Osu seat nkodi NDC ho da. NDC ni abranche bi omode na baso ye ayi MC wo ade on friend say ayi Evans wakadre ni boy said we see nim politics ye MPP mudi agro ho de be ye mo na wo mama ye MC kura no said ye no si dream wo ayi constituency one na we wa wasa be MC a ye de 5 million Ghana cedi abehye ne nsa ayi afibia so ofanye na waba ye ntrekesa wo ye ne se 5 million ye de ma no wo ye no de ayi ahemafo ahemfo ntrekesa wo ye no ho it is ya makwan ya miemu amankrofo na anye registration no a ni ya makwan ma MPC no wo mo parochial interest nti wo mo ye say ye ma ye nye ne ye de hie botom ye nkrofo nko atwere wedi party ni begu said ya kwa ye plus ko ye mo woni kurom ho no saa na nkrofo bi be ye mo tumo makwan mo fa ni moni ni akire abijasa kire east yi ma many ani akira ye se ni anso anya dwuma eno de me ka kire open me metuwa yi asisie de me mpe ye be makwan ma eye nkrofo afama so bedmase kokotie asua yi funfu ni da ban yi kra kuro omo nyina be ye registration omo nyina dawu tabre wiamuase omo nyina be the registration asamai konya yi tanod mase kuna womu nyina be registration agona be jama se be bi womu nyina be registration obia polling station yes mo fan koma polling station fo no mo fan koma polling station fo no ya nga se MPP party no MPs mo nyinhye motom yes wo ma de MPs bi so mo pese mo kofo on oppose mo be ko on ayi justify your inclusion at the base. Would the MP now trankra dina unko okromu a wontimi me pressure wo pe ono post bia enya dwuma na enya dwuma chana ende be ka kire mu pei ono post ne ba independent candidates nso be ba ende party ni nyina begu party asia ye mra MPC ni bi me ne wo ka say vote o mudi win ye first time o mu ba ye atia ba fuma atia yes sa MP no ye mane nko ono post wa abra manfo no e wo form ho no mpeso mbeto aba ama no o se ye mane nko ono post obi anko ono post go and justify your inclusion wo ye MP abeko okrom na ne manfo no kwa kodi agro wo ye MP abeti manfo ni suase wo ntrankra ni MP eno de ye ma akwan edizo obi abe na adwene so okọ ono post enya no kore nda me ka me se pa go enya no kore we make me ho be mo hi enso nyima sam for the love of the party the principle and ideals on which ayen nananom mesia jahene mo e fight for the party and no ne be defend kopem da ye bi wu ye no kore ntimo mpia sam anyi asam obia ne wo be ne ho ono post sem bia wa MPP mu amiaje atum ene ye nyina ye bedwiri party na gu se party mu mpani ye mo dia ye ye friends elitism mo ne friends and family ye mo ye manfo ketewa bi ho ba nyesa mo di agro party ni be kwa akohye manfo no nsa chairman pogas ne dia ye de be ma no dome amenasefo chairman no wo mo na wo dia oge ye women's organizer ewa amenase oge na party ni ye ne dia ye de be ma no sa ne be ye no ukodru jamasi akwakwa wo ye chairman wo ho ye de party ni be sa akohye ne nsa sa ne be ye no na mo na adwo wo ye coordinator wo jamasi wo no ne ye de party ni be hye ne service wo na ye ne dia muntimi fa party ni nsinkra na obi ye de ope the party must go back to the people. The people must feel a part of it. No MP should feel say our entitlement mentality. It will bet me at now so on yaduma on konikrum and ajuma na sem kotonkra ne ye ditumi hye ne nsa ne ye di ne nkra ye wi ayese ne ono push. Obekwa kwa justify inclusion. Competition beba party nim. Ebema ase no Kenya obi anko ono push and ye ka kire mu pen. Una ba akwa kire ye ditumi hye won say you go back to the people and tell the people why you think you deserve to serve them again. See yama 1 term, yama 2 terms, yama 3. Na adwen si yama 4, 5 nka ho a. Obekwa akokere manfo ne die ntie se de ma. Obi ani wonu post bia. Tumunya na ada na mo da ho no. The party will hold an election at the base. Eti yesi obi ama kwan ye ntworo bi. Hwa na obi MP bia nkɔhye ne dem. Na wo ye MP na akɔhye dem mu amese wo ankasa kura wo gina ho abɛwe. Wangasa yedu gina okura abere ka kire open eduru se 9 piece bebre wo a omo aye wo mo abom esu yedu omo abom ni de tutu wo mo wo kote baabi se wo mpe party ni wo de wa bom ne wo ko hye ho wo de wo nana wo fa wo soa wo tworo mu di hyem kura me so ba wi abawi eno de ka kire opin me se wo ko tworo wo nua wo soa wo nana wo papa wo de wo mu hyem so wo ye delegate na wa ankasa kura wo ye electoral commission edru se wo ba wi abawi edru se wo wi abawi pepepe eti ejasin kodua general wadaroma fuani di echiri na nabi fuani di echiri Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia party na ese mu ya akono no fuani di echiri the MPC bi ye no fuani di echiri aha Mel Kwabena said you don't have the power because when we were fighting for the party you and Captain Smart were fighting against the party. I like you but tone down. Mel, I'm fighting against the party da. My adwene na anya adwumanti a. Enuoma no na party na ye no America no. The anya no America na ase me fight against the party nti nkwase asem ni nsemfunu no de wo munni na mo me nka ho asem. I don't believe in that. Enne ochina chi se party ni nya tumi bia bio ni eba ni ebe ye nneoma no ane ye yate ye ho agu galamse ni ye tu galamse se amanfo ni nso meka ne china chi. My allegiance is to the people first. Ghana for answer. They've been able to conscientize you to believe. Say, me no ana may point out your mistakes in what ye no. Me mom na may fight against the party. And nipa no ana etu agu ngura mu tu galam say man for ni show ni de. Enyo omo na ye. Huh? Don't believe that nonsense. We will fight for the party. Mel, me fighting against MPP da. Me MPP ni mapa. Enyo ma no ye nua no ba yo mba ye ya enya ne ye beka ne chena beka ne cherechi. Ade. Yes, sorry for any uncle. Now, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Mama announcement. Huh? Multimedia naje. I said party ni yankin asem. Ye din se muna yanka party. Ya tri party. Na ye be hunu se wo ye party ni ma papa. Na ye se wo foa eye nsem hunu ne bone so. Na the MPP na ye breeding grounds for criminals ana. Media memfoa bone so nde emfoa bone so chena. Ye di tumi ma ye bio ni ye koko tu galamse meba be kasi ye tu galamse anu nti na mo se me se party ni dia enye mbanya aka se me se party no ye me tumi bio ni ye di 11 to manfo ne so na se manfo no ho kire omo meba be kasa 11 na mo manfo no enne na me se party ndi ye me se party no se ye di tumi ma ye bio na nkrofo esika da ho na se ye kɔ ne ye di ensa kokeka nkokorafo ne mmerewafo ne sika mo mo nto aba ma ya meba be ka. Nobody should tell me said that means yes, a party. You've been able to conscientize yourself to believe say the okano kurani momono said the ye no enya no ono na say party no mo ye bone no the omo say party. Party ni ye nyina ye de wo ye bone ya yebeka ka kiro pain. Ave yanko announcement.
Hey yo NDC ni a wo ha me mesro jira wana tie video. Ya kanya me adwe na kire mo nya agoro na edu ha me am be kuani ne mado manya 20 bus wo mama wo say ye ndi aduane biz 2 bus nipa 20 bi 2 years sisi biz ni 10 million ye nya obi na wato ye nti ase masa ye nye obi aboni o we for no ye wa na ye nye obi aboni o so mama ya na edu ba ye mpa ho ase ye like ye mpa problem yari woni asembia ancha kura ancha wura man pastor no why market no check busy nkwa wura mu hade wura yanka pani we nkasa bi o pani we NDC di pani o ba wura mo man kase ma hia ka kira mo ka kira na wo mo ka te Ghana ye duane Abuja na Abuja yan bi se ko chen se plus na ye tor se se ana kasapa na wo mo de ton na first na ka kuye ko ba ye sika kan do amadu na babutu mo tie de ya to menu sabre we ya ye se Ghana ye this entity to aburo unto afiri se me de aburo ayi 3 bags ma tomato diriti adaka menu na sika ka papa no seji ya no wo pe duro daka ba ko je de oto aburo 3 bags answer na what man na ba ma ko nduru na ba ma bu seji ya no wada se to na bo nko ba ko wo to wie na wo bura joma wo timi de 1 bag ya to no wo na ye ko kana je wo timi sa ko ba 1 bag
we announcement number 1 enti said there be am ye no say ubufu a ho we enkrofo a ekam wodwom say wo mo aye adwuma nso ayino aba ne yantimi nto enso ye kan ye se dollar aba fom announcement number 2 yenti ai
tenda for the party with nyenwan les what nyenwan le bjalo let me out condemn good
we mo amote sa akasa mo nkire ya se
come yo kutime ito kwa ka ko ri yango ya isa no wana ya sa ta chira ka bi ya sa ta chira ka bi ya chira ka ta ba you know what ka condemn du ha you pa condemn ma da regbenne kan chira ta diru wahala chira ta diru wahala chira diru wahala yi ya no la 4 years wari yan sa anya check ka NDC
mo amote kasa na se mo nkire ya se wai
Madam Naka yellow thing younger.
What's it?
That's what NDC chairman in your child. You ever bomb. We are. Okay, she got to go to put to do her. That took to a while. Hey, took to walk to a pay that. Your party I couldn't feel younger than your party, my yellow. But the transfer. Lord Child, you go show that one putting out Chakra. I cried more being a child here. Now, Uncle Amelia. Kati fa ke yen tere fa le mi akote ko do he sham ko le mi a chanwo ko ten to de ba ko le mi ke no tla ma eni sino ama e poku man
ada na ase NDC fo no mo adwa sa menti ase NDC party no a na adwa menti ase ada yi yanko announcement number 3
Yeni nim light papa bi edam wo Ghana ha say na light na ade chan Africa cho eduma na so no enso light be ba na wuntimi ntua no ye ko kan che say wo presidential staffer ye the taxpayers money na hwewo wo dadan mu ne etua light be ye obi bia to adwane ma odi free and why check wo na akeka wadwene kire ye wo ko tren kire fm hono ma na akeka wadwene kire se na ya jantu wo se na ya kwa habra wo se hwan yo na akeka wadwene kire ye ye Ghana for pan so dey timi mistake bi pa o
Ghana for timi mistake bi pa o we di anu odin o anu odin pa anu odin na mame address sa issue we okay 1 2 3 oba ba ko osede ya yentie no
Kaka, you sit in your office to say honestly, this is now getting out of hand. Okay, this is now getting out of hand. Why? Why is it that our leaders don't even care about us now? Like, why? It's because people don't suffer to get anything. That is why you don't care about us. We started complaining about this light issue. What pisses me off is one person came to sit on the internet and tell us that the gadget here is so energy. Look, my house, right? Me in my house, I don't have air conditioning. My fridge is off. I don't use my sewing machine. I don't use iron, I don't use any gadgets. I used to buy 300 and 400 and something CDs. Now, you people said we should buy it in bulk. I bought 500 CDs. It's less than a month. The light is finished. Why? Like, why? Some of us even suffer to get 3 square meal. Why? Rent is high. You can't rent a semi car. You sit in your office to say you just 6 months, but you just sending with some regulated system. We are talking about water. Why is it that you want to take our life in this country? What is it? Why is it our leaders are wicked like that? Why? Some of us just want a normal, simple life, but we can't afford it. Why? This thing is getting tiring. Like, we wake up every day, we are just seeing the survival. Like, is it that you people don't care what? From party A to party D, you are all the same. If you are tired, just tell the country, like, yeah, bread. Why? If nobody is tired, I am tired. 8 months, but in just any some regulated system, we are talking about water. Why is it that you want to take our life in this country? What is it? Why is it our leaders are wicked like that? Why? Some of us just want a normal, simple life, but we can't afford it. Why? This thing is getting tiring. Like, we wake up every day, we are just in the survival. Like, is it that you people don't care or what? From party A to party D, you are all the same. If you are tired, just tell the country, like, yeah, bread. Why? If nobody is tired, I am tired. I am very, very tired. This thing is getting out of hand. I am tired.
Ah, Lord have mercy. Stoneboy Ewanyumbi. Simple life is all that we ask for. Give us water, give us clothing, give us electricity. We don't want any exorbitant life. All we need is simple life. The basic necessities of mankind: water, food, shelter, clothing. Abraham Maslow's theory of needs. The basic. And that is all this girl, this beautiful woman is asking for. Wabre, and you can tell the frustration in her voice. Wabre, omaya watim, nanka electricity, enya luxury. Electricity is a basic necessity of life, enya luxury. And this electricity thing, it looks like nobody is talking about it. People are complaining. It's electricity, no a boarding. They just don't care. Simple life is what we ask for. Anyway, and some of these things, when I see it, my heart bleeds. It bleeds. Anyway, you move away now. May address this issue.
National Democratic Congress. Nti ye no moja no mo di adware ye. Nti so mo melo.
Allah.
Wallahi omu tiri be hye omu konya na omu tena wo parliament no. Because patapa de ye na ye patapa o. Ye na ye patapa. Ye omu di moja na omu di dware ye na omu di independent wo krom ha. Ana National Democratic Congress. Nti ye no blood no moja na omu di adware ye. Nti so omu pe patapa ye na ye patapa. Omu sue free enchen.
Bibintra.
Omu sue ye enchen bibinti omu ntimi ye wu. Even ne kura mi ye oba. So omu da me no afanya obedwane.
Allah.
Obedwane.
Bukumbank.
Buko wo ba wallahi na carry the issue.
One.
Okay, so mami addresses our issue. Minim what is it with yenuano mo omoka twi eva omo ye house afo. So Nash wo ya na Majid me makola Majid. I don't know why say omo kasana or country na a sounded a bit nothing. Ebia ni krom kasane ne nemu. Hey wallahi na kwa de kashi na kwa de cha hey wallahi ba ko minim de eti aso mo kasane ne nemu a they feel they mentiase. I don't know why they feel like omo ye courageous by virtue of or country na nikro no the house na frakakra so it makes you what and na mama ho ya din ana de mentiase ya de mo nyina de nyina okuma aseso ami o moka buka shina buka ka fitawre na ya shum so adia ba na ewurawura na gaga na ege ana egugo wallahi ko ana me oba ameka no kura bi nchiro wo maya yetimu no party bia ne wo monopoly over violence. So obviously who know the history of this country. Kone ko busa Kwame Nkrumah time and a preventive detention act wo ho. National Liberation Movement aba force akoto. Etiye. Sata mani ye kan ka bi Kwame Nkrumah preventive detention act. Mema na tijina ye ene ne ko ye ekokosi ani emenya afa ahudie at some point. Adia ni awurawura na ye ne di moja blai okay so oka moja na it means oka JJ Rawlings coup d'etat na we ye no and through the coup NDC was born and for that matter they think they are revolutionary babies and they have monopoly over violence. Obama make us some nchero we need monopoly over violence any day any time by emphasize nchechire mai wallahi talayi wo pesa odi bibi chechire mai ya Jusu adwene emre bi atwamu na azoka boys ni ye prankrofo na ye ba mama ana MPP kire won bibi kakra bi 2016 election with Kandaha ne wa afi no mo kam na MPP akofa vigilante na dia ben ne if say ye nyina ya dia tum said that is not the way to go. Some masem ne ye ana wallahi talai he me afanyo mama kire ni bibi kakra na Mugabe ma se ni trikoto se wodwan no no so gina ososo ewrewura wallahi talai ba komi fitewuri na wani hai we ewrewura million me ewrewura wo shase aso wo keka sa ansam no a wo bema pa wonya drum finfin afa ha bunani so ne konho a ade aba ne ewrewura ne mema sam ne fa hin wallahi fitewuri na de aba buduru banchi shegi aba ye beka we nyina de agusu na ewrewura ewrewura ema we ewrewura wo ba ba tre TV so ye politics of ideas ye kira adwene ni anya Joyce Bawa Montari ma ne so nkwase asemu yi so ye nya Joyce Bawa Montari e ma ne so nkwase asemu yi so say afenyo maki mi mekire ni bibi ha mi wala mi kura mi ye oba no mi mekire ni bibi kaka we nya no ne ye kan ye de adwene or say you saw Basentele and you ran away. Basentele my foot. In any day, any time, I'm not going to stand with Basentele say here to and I see here kuntokwa and because that is not where my mind operates. And you don't hear me. Why will I see Basentele and run away? Because Basentele ne shwa ye mi ansa na ye nine. Ashwaya yedema ye mienu na de obi adiem. Say ya betre nso a meti yi o hwa ma betri ha say ya afete kama bema ebia mumu ise de nimdia. Edi say ye mema sam si ye mema sam a menyina okuma se so a me untimi mfa wallahi ni ba ko mini fitewuri na shegia babanchi untimi fa nwura meda ko bisa na ahye no nka nkire o. Nyame na fa afie ana emu bia nkoye langadefo. Eti say nwura no mo fa nto nkyai na NLM aye MPP ni root na NLM no omuni matritrasam just that MPP yamfa gidigidi nebu mai momi move away from there. Quincy Bonsofield this master you are short also wa mo bi ada say me short ya ushia mi a ujina mani ma ya ahwese me short wa me bematu mu jami ni alma disi for mo ahwura do anu wallahi na fa he kosi he hwensi munya ahwura no ne mfa adwene mu man pam kwasasam so ade abana wo ba betra ho ye de tumi ama manfo ni tumi ama bra beka bibi e bebo adwoma ama mamu a wo se wallahi gba ko de bende we ani hwe we wo ba na Mugabe ma se woni hwe kaniti hwe do no so community police for esimu ntua o muka na ati TV so na wo ye mimi afenyo no meche wo badwane wo ba sha TV wo ba sha akonya ase wo fu asam nko we make kan cyborg chema cyborg wo Accra Newtown. Every me issue one even now. Oshia what I was say was said you see issue one in clean and was a war bema. Sanity. Emema de ye nyina obi a omienu uhia nipa na obetimi abo a ugina na wagina de besinsi de besi timomie movie away why saa we ni ye fa muman anyway yanko minyina ho na menko eye but before some kono loyal ladies for the 10 years MPP loyal ladies the 10 years. Now I want to take this opportunity to congratulate loyal ladies for kwabnambofo say MPP anyi waye a me megina aka kire say kwabnambofo virus nanapia virus for the past 30 years if there is any one group you forming within the NPP asum party nipa abua abeye beacon of hope for yema CMA rural politics in one transition time I was here with Modesta ene Randa money wahima money perpetual lomuki money adeno. One thought say it was going to be like NDC DNU John Mahama do for Mahama, this for Mahama, that for Mahama. But you've been able to consistently sustain this group, this pressure group, loyal ladies. I'm a Juma for the past 10 years, loyal ladies, a year NPP. I know say MPP, very ungrateful people. Instead so loyal ladies for a year, and on NDC for a so among so TTB any idea. Instead so be your mayano. Yes, I the same may to form my crime NDC for the do matter me as we do movie. And so Juma Maya, and even the women's wing of the party couldn't mean yes, Juma way in the past 10 years. So your commitment to a year MPP, your service to the party, any community engagement, I'm a party for the past 10 years. Loyal ladies, for I want to salute you. You guys have done really well. The discipline in which I'm more arrangement, now more circles, and one need where commander and where this papa. Into on your 10 years anniversary, I salute you, loyal ladies, and I encourage you to say, Obia to me, Rimramo. Now, me tie kwabrampo for what loyal ladies, me boa me 3 loyal ladies in the party. Patron, where your unofficial patron, me can ho. Obia de ntokwaba ameko amam. Ode. Monyere mo ho na mumwa party ne nye na mumu bebre no anyini mfiri mu mameye mampanimfo wo yenya esle wusu mfiri yenya shelia yekobotwe mfiri yenya ma titire mfiri loyal ladies nim. Hwa na obi anwunwa mo. Wate. Yedomu de beka bia na mu ye de ben de ani nya asam ye de yedomu papa. Hey. Yedomu loyal ladies yedomu pa. MPP man ne mema yedomu papa. Bia fana se mun koni yanyu ne ho. Now you moving yanko ye frɛ baby is it bobon okay. So e ma bi omo wo 1 2 3 before say be come man so no fuel stations no ye sha say ye ka chere say ye be bo omo nyina din yanko the next list of fuel stations wo mo diverted premix fuel any marine fuel. But before say meko so no mami take this opportunity to make a correction. Last week ye list of fuel stations you know. Yebo Petrosol filling station edin. Petrosol. But not Petrosol enkaho. It was actually Petro Sankofa, but it was a slip of tongue, which by mistake I ought to have corrected it. But so let's put it on record. It said Petrosol filling station, fuel station, enkaho. Name Petro Sankofa and enkaho. So Petro Sankofa for ananaye, name Petrosol filling station, enkaho. I know that some of you also say, so filling stations in Bowa, yente womo enkada. Filling stations in a Bowa, a war, a yagan, a mancha, nyankana, no more, war, a yan north near dear womu, a jinkro for mu bunkro for bukata hopa. Womu bunkro for bukata ho. So the next filling stations, fuel stations, are moved or my diverted premix fuel on it. And you have a bomb the Yanko phase 1. Okay, so entry, your friend filling station be entry. Also a diverted premix fuel on it a marine fuel. Our mode air tone essay a total drivers. Or mode say a Uber drivers, or mode say a taxi drivers, a car. N3 it woto ayi wa M3 limited ho a womo nkrofo car again Nagami oil Nagamni oil edi otofu ayi fuel station OMC Nagamni oil ho a womo nso omo divert premix fuel according to OSP report ene marine fuel a womo dey say nkrofo car saa nso na Onyxma energy good service always obwa good service always be any baby a we premix fuel ne marine oil marine fuel and omo divert according to OSP report saa nso na unya energy petroleum omo nso so to bi wo a energy filling station omo nso divert a omo nso divert premix fuel divert marine oil saa nso na Maranatha Oil Service Limited omo kura de kofa bae fo omo kura de kofa bae omo de kofa bae Maranatha Oil Service Limited eti medical ka say petrol sol de omo nka ho slip of tongue it's actually petrol sankofa second phase N3 for third phase actually this is the third phase N3 filling station Nagamni oil Nagamni ti so hu Nagamni enkonkoto ho saa nso na Onyxma energy petroleum woto bi wo ho a jaito na Maranatha Oil Service Limited omo nyina eka fuel stations a OSP report na indict omo se omo de premix fuel ana omo divert here. We are going to make sure we keep our eyes on that sector. Energy sector. We are going to make sure say yebetimi a unveiling nkrofo a omudi sa adwuma no. Na ye move away from na yanko Mutaka Mubarak the constituency yenti.
واشيائهم من الهلائك أن يفرد علي عز جارك وجل سناؤك ولا إله غيرك اللهم منزل السماء سريع الحساب يزم العذاب اللهم يزمه وزلزله وفرق جمعه وشدد شمله برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين اللهم إنا نجعلك في نهورهم ونعوذ بك من شرورهم اللهم اكفنيهم بما شئت اللهم اكفنيهم بما اللهم أنت عددي وأنت نسيري بك أهول وبك أسول وبك أقاتل حسبنا الله ونعم الوكيل حسبنا الله ونعم الوكيل babu da police babu da soja babu da kowa mubarak kashe inda zamu duka muje mun doke ka mun sama ka mun ba inda mu ne bamu da gaskiya mubarak in kuma muke da gaskiya Allah ya kwaci hakkin mu babu yadda Allah ya kuma babu yadda babu yadda babu yadda ba sai dai ka gwada mu iko ka kwaci dama ka ce ka kwaci mu ba mu son ci gaban zango in ba mu son ci gaban zango mun sai wanga ka samu
okay so video awuhwe ema merwafo a wo mo Mutaka Mubarak ne constituency Boban na wo mutete wo mawre mu koto asase na saa asase no Mutaka Mubarak ede takashi eje free wo nsem ema ne kokan ya na Mutaka asa ka kire wo se wo mu pe onfa mo ne mfa mo kina yentie Mutaka
gwamnati za ta gina an ka ce ka da nake yi mu ga mutu inda kake son mu ga mu ba ka ba gwamnati abu ayi abu saboda jama'a tun da saboda jama'an nan ne saboda jama'a aka sai saboda jama'a kuma ake abin da ake ni ban gaza
Mutaka sa wo se government adwuma na wo de kwakoya we are a nation of laws your compulsory acquisition mra wo act 1036 ni mu as a Mutaka Mubarak odwene se ofa mra kwan so na de ade asase na you must compensate these women without satakashi no but Mutaka Mubarak use the office as Minister of Interior e de renra mmerewafo a wo mo eni baabi wo ni kamafo ene wo de takashi e de police fo akogu asase so ana Sa police for no. Ese wo mo makwan, on be fa ho anyina. On be fa ho anyina. Aha. Ye ji.
Say ka o be fa alaji. Ya be fa mu ina any alaji.
Eti Mutaka Mubarak a wono no ema agi omude omusika akwakoye ayi omakoto nsase emrewafo na akwakoto omunsase no ene Mutaka Mubarak ede takashi eje nsase no afiri man nsam se wo ye Minister of Interior adan ya ode beye project asi maade ben dormitory ni hwa oboa se wo so wo de beye project ebe favor omo a ye wo mra aye faso ede gi eye nsase free eye ayi owners of land o Mutaka se wonye se ene wakwa akosere eye ayi wakofa police fo akofa soldier fo ana ode akogu man nsase so enwrenwra man se oma omo enya adwuma ne enya adwuma kina. And we are telling Mutaka say ultimately use the power of the people to intimidate these people. Emrano emma ho kwan say obe use the power of the people to intimidate the same people that gave you power to become a Minister of Interior. And now could do a boban a Mutaka constituency. Mutaka de a yeni to me German nsase, merwafo nsase, nkokrafo nsase, omuni kama fo. Edi yera John Dramani Mahama, one hour appointing Mutaka Mubarak. Menim so odi 2 million man, odi 2 million man so won san ko hurunran Crawford dia, ene de Mutaka de 2 million no eye wo constituency won enie. And ye ka kire Mutaka Mubarak say wonim na odi 2 million ehurunran man no eje omo nsase a any day anytime when there is change of government you are going to face the full rigors of the law. If you have 2 million no amasa fa ko hurunran ma e wo constituency, you have 2 million no amasa fa ko hurunran emberewafo constituency. There wo ye na abuse of power. And nobody should sit there and watch Mutaka to do what he is doing. Mutaka Mubarak, oh yeah, a member of parliament for the people. The people's power has been given to you to serve them. You cannot use the same people's power to intimidate them. That is an abuse of office, abuse of power. Now, yenyina era Mutaka, okay. So era Mutaka, emano esu omumpene, ano omudi duaburo. Eta Mutaka and we yenra duaburo.
Aka kwashe ka ce wai za ka yi mai Ibadu Rahman. Kai da yayi Ibadu Rahman ka Allah sine muku. Ba su da kasa ba gidajen su suke ginawa ba. Mu kuma ajiye ne domin baya. Su ma su je su bidi wuri su sai domin baya. Dajin da aka ce za a ba mu ma ina yake ba mu gani ba. Mu je mu ji daji. Yaran matan mu na son zinariya muka sai da zinariyan mu muka sai kasa. Muka sai da kayan masu sai da mashin masu sai da kasake suka sayar da zanuwa aka sayar domin a sai kasan ga.
At the same time, I had 2 million man Crawford, we need to hold them to account. You had 2 million man say be a member of parliament for these people. And we should not sit down and allow a society where people that are supposed to be servants of the people will tend to be tyrants of the people. Becoming administrative tyrants, administrative tyranny. Using the same power that people have given to them to intimidate and suffocate the people, taking away from them a Monsase. And that is exactly what Mutaka Mubarak is doing. And under no circumstance should this government allow Mutaka to go ahead and do what he is doing to this Emrewafo. Emrewafo no wamuni kamafo. About time for ni kamafo. So the government of this country, you must be able to protect them. That is the reason here. But the people have a social contract with you that because we are a nation that believes in the rule of law, we will make sure that we protect the vulnerable in the society. This is a case where Mutaka is using his office to intimidate the vulnerable in the society. So here John Dramani Mahama mweni mraha. Now you move away. Now you shade. Kolebu Teaching Hospital. For the past 1 year, Kolebu Teaching Hospital. for the past 1 year. Fire tender ewo Kolebu Teaching Hospital. Ase ejato eye Kolebu Teaching Hospital nim. Na abatan timi ensore. Se ejatom na omo ayare ntimi nwane. Ejatom na omo abubu egu ntimi nwane. Accident victims ntimi nwane. For the past 1 year, fire tender ewo Kolebu Teaching Hospital no enyejuma, it has been out of service. Ghana's largest referral hospital, which is Kolebu Teaching Hospital, no, for the past 1 year, their fire tender has been out of service. Now, see you are Dr. Pakwesi Bedu. Adentina, a major hospital to say Kolebu Teaching Hospital. Fire tender, it is not working. This is not negligence. This is a national risk. Minister of Interior, these are supposed to be the things I'll be paying attention to. And yet, Minister of Interior is not paying attention to the pertinent issues that borders our nation. What the 2 million is for. Now, instead say you better fix the fire tenders, through a government's own budget. If say a government, a government fire tender, Asante regional officers, yes, omuntria, a friend say, omuntria, 1,200. Near farm fix a fire tenders. Now, there is no law, there is no regulation, there is no administrative guideline. National Service, Ghana National Service Act 2, Procurement Act 2, Financial Administration Act 2, bibia ebo Ghana ho brabia ni ho a ma kwan se fire tenders ya yemma eye officers na entria me yemfa fix fire tenders. So question yebusa ne say National Fire Service eye den na nemu emraben na ma mo kwan se regional office regional fire officers mo si ji so mo 3,200 ansana ya fix it. Konfanoche fire tender nso asay. Yesu kodru Ashanti region. Ashanti region hall omo regional office ne say officers na ewo eye Ashanti region no entria eye 1,200 obia ne yamfa nko fixe eye Konfanoche Teaching Hospital ayi fire tender. Tidie kan yi. Konfanoche Teaching Hospital Ashanti regional office omo say eje say ye 3,200 each by the officers. Now, officers be about 82 of them, because there is no operational justification for this transfer of a year. 82 a year officers no muntiano. You see a transfer woman in every ho. Now, question ye busan say, to me ben womujina so the transfers are fire officers. He said, Womuntia a year 1,200 a year, they call fix a fire tender. This is a major national hospital. Enya Juma fire tender, Enya Juma, Konfanoche Teaching Hospital, fire tender, Enya Juma for the past 1 year. Maintenance, SAF funds allocated to a fire service. How is it acceptable for officers to be forced? So omuna entria 1,200. MEM fanko repair a fire tender, which belongs to the government. Now, I am a DCFO Daniel Mausi into Sapon. Wona wo ye Ghana che. Mame for the picture. Entwa. Mausi into Sapon. Mami ye na wa wo hwe atimi hu. The other fire service for no odum je adwuma no. The other no onie. DCFO Daniel Mausi into Sapon. We are aware see ama officers ni bi so omuntua 1,200. Omo ntua no. Ya transfer wo mo. So we are aware dia any action be na wo ma me wo fa utu anamo be na utu ye say we make sure say an illegal levy being demanded from the officers. wonya awa nso de any question yebusa say internal oversight and command responsibility no woye na sai internal oversight of the Ghana Fire Service na wudi animu no woye na sai Ghana Fire Service na wudi animu no woye na sai if say woye wadwuma ye dia any officers a omo ashantere nya yeka chom so muntia 1200 Ghana cedi miemfa nko fixe Konfanochi teaching hospital fire tender no akabai na ese nkwate operational logic ben a support the transfer of 83 officers no almost omuntua no operational logic ben we chiri if say 83 82 say 83 for no almost omuntua ma transfer. The question we are asking is that on what grounds if CIT Confanochi Teaching Hospital is the biggest national referral hospital, one of the biggest if not the biggest. Na whole 1 year enya juma fire tender enya juma ewo ho na afi mo be pesika aye no mo pesika nye officers no mo so mo ntua 1002 an illegal 1002 no imposed on them man make sure say officers in transfer omo it question yebusa ne say we are asking for an inquiry into this illegality, and I know it's an illegality because under no circumstance should an officer be asked to pay an amount to repair a fire tender. Eti eye mame DCFO the one why sapo. Eso ba be yia no. Die ntia entimi nya adwuma na instead say obe make sure say e be repair fire tenders no. Wo victimize officers or more refuse so omo ntua 1200 because it's an illegal. Eso ba be yia no. This is a purely illegal matter. And Ghana no ayetim, we are a nation of laws. I continuously tell you people that we are a nation of laws. So National Fire Service, Penyah Wadano, we are asking you the relevant questions. A DNT na you Kolebu teaching a Konfanochi Teaching Hospital for the past 1 year, Enya Juma. Now so say there be Obaji the 1200 every microphone officers. Na omo mantua no so wa transfer omo kwakurase. So omo muade so omo antua. Ye de anybody say story we echi. And we ask Ayeye John Dramani Mahama say maame no hwe no ntimi nya adwuma no osododo a ma ne nkokọ tena fie. Se maame no hwe if the fire service dem hu ye se wo bi de animu a eye adwuma a ye de America entente na eye say nipa no must inspire hope in the people. Mami we me hwe se de we inspire. We are demanding the rights which is guaranteed under Ghana's public service regulations, labor laws, any administrative justice principle. We are demanding these rights which is guaranteed the people. We cannot claim to be a nation of laws, see a strengthen institutions. The very people no umbe deny say wamuntia illegal sikano. Yakasa say any panu wamuntia dia any yesa sakiwomo. So yebusa National Fire Service Penyah Wadano say 2 million wo mugina so mo de transfer sa 83 members yi ekọ nkurase. Ye de anybody echi. Mutaka Mubarak, Minister of Interior, instead so be mu ani abre no follow sa de umu ani mre ana man wawrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenwrenw Sani eno. Mutaka Mubarak, Sani eno. Focus on the job, focus on the job, focus on the job, and get the job done. You move away from National Fire Service. Na yentie we, yentie.
I believe that the Ghana Armed Forces and the Ghana Police Service put together, if you give them 3 months to end Galamsey and you resource them, and there is no, I believe that the Ghana Armed Forces and the Ghana Police Service put together, if you give them 3 months to end Galamsey and you resource them, and there is no political intervention from anywhere, they will end Galamsey.
A few moments later.
And it would be unfair to expect that President Mahama in 96 days will fix the rot of 8 years.
I have emati. Niti se brebreti. Niti koto se brebreti.
I believe that the Ghana Armed Forces and the Ghana Police Service put together, If you give them 3 months to end Galamsey and you resource them, and there is no political intervention from anywhere, they will end Galamsey.
A few moments later.
And it would be unfair to expect that President Mahama in 96 days will fix the rot of 80 years.
Today, talk to any nursing institution, director, nurse principal, and then Kanino, not the Ubetunya for be ma kwai ma fa. Nursing, so be able to for 200 students as a fa. And then your ma do timi for 200, your ma is for nipa 30.
Quota system.
Yeah, my quota system, and I'm telling you, you can find out. Your producers, I love the way they are working today. They can
Wait,
find out.
producers here no confirm that.
I'm telling you.
A few moments later.
So before you realize, the students are in the street demonstrating against government, and the pressure comes on me, and nobody knows why. Because I told you to admit 750, you have admitted about 2,750. Where are we going to get that allowance for those students? Yeah, no, today, talk to any nursing institution, director, nurse principal, and then Kanino, not the Ubetunya for be a ma kwai ma fa. Nursing, so be able to for 200 students as a fa. And then your ma do timi for 200, your ma is for nipa 30.
Quota system.
Yeah, my quota system, and I'm telling you, you can find out. Your producers, I love the way they are working today. They can find out.
Producers here no confirm that.
I'm telling you.
A few moments later.
So before you realize, the students are in the street demonstrating against government, and the pressure comes on me, and nobody knows why. Because I told you to admit 750, you have admitted about 2,750.
Maybe I also say or catch it almost say more admitted 30 no quota system. After the work catch it almost more admitted 750. What junk edi at your own peril. Now you move away and call a year YE. Basintali edianimu. The Edikan Basintali ebe trose. We are creating 2 apps. One when an employer can search for a year employee, and another where employee can search for employer. Afinie 2 apps no my. Nenye frakadam ne bon ne nipa bonwa. App ba kubetumi serve the same purpose. On the same app, you can go there and be employer, especially when we are a year employee. Betumi akọ. Nanso no onye visibility studies bia. Yen kam ye mon semo na basintele ye wi ni ho. Maka chem se frakadam aman. Ne bom no eno kra anye the main issue. The main issue ni say YE entimi ntua ne nkrofo ka. Way from a year February January no, omo aye adwuma ankasa no, ye ntua omoka. But aside omo aye adwuma ankasa ye ntua omoka no. Over 300 Ghanaian youth are lawfully, they've been employed, lawfully appointed, but Ayabasintele essay from January last year, 2025, Ebesine Ontia Omoka. YE under the leadership of Ayabasintele, was it Ontia Omoka, 300 Ghanaian youth. Now the reason is say ya, Wapamu Omo se Omonko, wa terminating Omo appointment. As to whether Emraben would jina so terminating one more appointment. Ewa bra act no a sete a YEE. Omampaniku 4 pencil. Act 887 section 3. Eka ni pefe lay down the procedures so obi pese ye employ obi wo a YEE ye first wo. Youth employment ewo procedures per a section 3. As ye pese ye employ a young crofo. Say one by ye first war. Ya first kwan so. Technical clearance ye diaba, financial clearance ye diaba. Appointment letters ye issue and crofo a year interviews. All of a sudden, Basintele a leadership will say, Sankrofon ye formu MPP penso. It is Sankrofon a yamo appointments in the clearance in Bibiano. Basintele say nipa 300 on Tiomokane and Tiomokachana. Every year 2025 January, ebesine 1 year 2 months. Yesi yentiomuka. Yekobusa Basintele say a chief of staff Julius Debra, my former boss, and a man instructions on dismiss woman. But acting no set up a year friend say Act 887 is setting up YE Section 13. Emma Basintele, who is the CEO, TNA, you have the sole responsibility for lawful administration of a year. Say chief of staff for 1 year. Emrabian where man kwans will be instructed. Wo Basintele say ye man for lawfully no omo ya for mo adwuma. LI 2231 regulation 5 wo Basintele wo di ye adwuma no. Be bian where man kwans say wo engaging for services. Na adia the term of office after 6 months, you need to regularize them. Womanya letters of engagement is 30 terms, duration and mode of a year. Wo Basintele wo ba ye no wo de wanu to hunu na apa mo ma ko tena fi a wo ma wo mo krata bia tienie sa nkrofo e kofa lawyer ema lawyer ne twro Basintele no Basintele YEA. And when I say Basintele, I'm using him as a representative of the whole YEA because onu na da Penyah odano. Lawyer ne twro Basintele YEA no. Say enipa 300 na unlawfully they've been discharged without any letter. Or ma omo letter bia. And one so omo ntwe omo ka. Eto omo ne na madwuma mi apam omo nso omo gina faako. And the Basintele so ntwe omo ka. Wo twro lawyer ne twro first letter come here, and we have the first letter here. Mame emfa first letter lawyer na etwro ekoma Basintele ne waye ohunu se ose lawyer ne ye NPP ni it will instruct lawyers of waye se ma omon responded to the lawyer. Now lawyer no etwro second letter wodi ekọ Basintele waye and son of Basintele responded say a chief of staff and a catcher and say ompamon crofono. Yera Julius Debra so were president di. Say chief of staff ya trokrata say crofono a wo mo ye yin yampamo mo nefisi fa mo 2024. Minim so mo ya Azerbaijan fu, so mo free Kosovo, so mo free eye Bosnia, so mo free eye Herzegovina, so mo free Serbia mintimi hu, se Montenegro no mo free mintimi hu. Why yesu on tria sa nkrofo ika? Ya file complaint, nipa 300 na file complaint akoma Labor Commission. Now Labor Commission Act Section 67 extra remuneration which needs to be paid. And then why you say ontria? Labor Commission Act a Labor Commission emma omu issue a year. Someone say brane appear before them wa. Why under the leadership of Basintele say for the past months in what Labor Commission issue a year someone so mu appear no omu appear na appear china. Tienye it Labor Commission issue summons for a year. Now the question we are asking Labor Commission is a Labor Commission mumbra no settle mo up no and mamutumi samuba ensure compliance with a labor laws. It had na mutimi fra a year. Now for several months, why you say ma and there is no consequences. And the Labor Commission must share a buy more to more year jumama buy an idea by yetiasie. Section 139 of the Labor Commission Act, no, and mamo kwanse mbetimi compare a young employee why ye obi ambese mo ni bia no. Eti dan na muntimi en compare why ye for a penny for so mo beba no maba be ya no de enti Ghana for 300. Yes, he entry omuka for the past 1 year. Adentia. Orders of the commission here very enforceable because section 172 Mamho says among any orders. So the question we are asking is that why is it that the commission has not issued any enforcement action against YE? Because a Ghana for near for Moduma. And you see, you terminate you no letter, nothing. Any panel so I call massive. Yema womo appointment letter, legitimate appointment letters, and these are samples of the appointment letter. Appointment letter ni ebini. Appointment letter no ebini. Eye appointment letter ye dia man krofo legitimately they've been appointed, and yet Basintele so won tuamuka because here Julius Debra so won pamo omo. No mo nkotene fi. No mo for man no nkopem dan. 1 year, they don't have any letter sacking them. By word of mouth, ye dia pamo Ghana for so mon konkot na fi. Ewa abra omukura appointment letter which is stipulating their terms of reference in the terms of conditions wamode be adwuma. Under section 63 of the Labours Act, unfair termination of contract dismissal. Now there is no lawful cause, and yet the Labour Commission is refusing to call YE to order. Labour Commission is refusing to make any enforcement orders against YE. Every worker in Ghana has the right to be paid for work done, and for the past 1 year, YE for adwuma, and so YE for 300 YE workers. Basin tell us who omuka. Omo ye adwuma wo mukura de dane de from February ne ba na yentuai, and then MCC issue memu. Say na de ben na bank ne na awaboa sikani wo. Tienye. Now, when the CEO allegedly told workers that the chief of staff instructed almost dismiss woman. Chief of staff office ya petition, the chief of staff office no responded. Almost woman ni catch them ya pamu monkonkoda. Now we are a nation of laws. Chief of staff what pamunkrofo omola ya issue petition say sa petition emra office chief of staff petition no aton suo mu so mu. Now, question yebusa say, then yama financial clearance. Ya conducting interviews. Ya appointing crofo, ya mo appointment letters. Ya crofo assume adwuma lawfully, legally. And yet, sa workers yi obisi ya fa wo MPP penso. Edi yentua omuka 1 year yentua omuka 1 year yentua omuka. Ewa bra yewra John Dramani Mahama. Year to about 2016, I will lose you year. 2016 December, no appointed them level. And governance is a continuum. It does not automatically mean. And in any case, these people were even appointed way before Siyababa Tuaba. And yet, almost 1 year. Why year? 1 year. And there's no politics. This is pure illegality. If it's a workers no, 1 year near into omukano. Omunko ba shawa na de beya. Omu mako school. E kom eti omunko nko kro no na de beya. Question yi busa no. If it's a binumo yire ja womo, e binumo kunu no mu ja womo. If so omusima ya adwuma 1 year de bia mo sore ehwe mokas. Ekọ kro chia amena mebad. Enso munye sika entraduane ni dia ye ja wo. Kofo ebire yire no mu ja womo. And when you administrative failure, this is pure a human suffering. You said that yes, ni paso. Omaya you see you build 24 hours, 24-hour economy. And so that 24-hour economy, no, how can a government that promises 133 jobs? Obana microphone be ye bidia. Osimapamu and I say yes, publication. Yera Julius Debra say ya pamu over 2,000 plus Ghanaians. 2,000 plus Ghanaians. Adenya ye formu MPP penso. Your mama tama ye to abay ema wu lusu ye 2016. Wo ko nipa wo appoint ro munye nipa wa. And then your mama said ye. So we are calling say why ye ubetua manfo ne ka. Oma ye adwuma. Labor Commission, you must make sure say why ye pays these people. You must make sure. Obi antimi rura manfo no. Obi antimi rura manfo no. Ene ochena chika ho. Obi antimi rura manfo no. Now, basentale wadwuma na wo ye no. We a young man, you have future. Some of these decisions, you must be able to fight in the interest of the people and say that unnuanoma ye adwuma na so odwene omo ho a for 1 year they cannot go hungry. And that's when to me anya na sa na basentale wotina ho emye yi sa nkrofo ye adia you. Now Yawahana, Iran, any US, any Israel, Eden Tokwa Abweni. Now, Omoden Tokwa Abweni, no. Bombo ba kokura ento ewo Ghana tienye. In fact, knockout to kraba kokura ento Ghana. Na Yewra John Dramani Mahama, yentie nkomoi, yentie.
Saying that these so-called global factors, COVID-19, Russia-Ukrainian war, affected Ghana more than it affected even Ukraine, which is at war with Russia. Why the bombs Putin is throwing to Ukraine? Are we having some of the bombs fall in Ghana here? So look, stop the flimsy and frivolous excuses.
I'm prepared to go a year. Nyakura o. Brofo, I want more one brofo be a yin wo. We say a topic and no topic and go are has it. Abetra or Yugumo say, and yes, I'm fin wabing the bombs that Putin is throwing to Ukraine is some falling brofo.
We're saying that these so-called global factors, COVID-19, Russia-Ukrainian war, affected Ghana more than it affected even Ukraine, which is at war with Russia. Why the bombs Putin is throwing to Ukraine? Are we having some of the bombs fall in Ghana here? So look, stop the flimsy and frivolous excuses.
What a KG1, bro. The bombs that Putin is throwing to Ukraine. Are we falling? But anyway, that's on the lighter side. Now, and this is also a mom penida. Emiyanka say, COVID-19, Russia, Ukraine, external factors affected the economy of Ghana because we are in a global economy where every country is interdependent on the other. Because of a global trade, it is a BBC war, a Gaman so say a war which interfere with a oil production. A war which interferes with a movement of goods and services. So COVID-19 by, obviously there was lockdown in major countries. Ships were not moving from China to Ghana, from America to Ghana, from Thailand to Ghana. So such matters have the tendency of affecting the economy of Ghana. And yet, Yero John Dramani Mahama and Abai said that COVID-19 had any extenuating factors on our economy. It could never have been, but it was the pure mismanagement of Akufo-Addo's government which led to the predicament we found ourselves. That is what John Dramani Mahama by any you can't say Samijamfi. Pure mismanagement on the side of Akufo-Addo. Yes, we gave it to them, assuming without admitting that they were right yesterday. Yenche John Dramani Mahama.
Russia and Ukraine's war has also featured prominently on the list of excuses. Russia and Ukraine's war has also featured prominently on the list of excuses. The Russia-Ukraine conflict cannot possibly be responsible for the suffering we're going through.
So, Yero John Dramani Mahama said the Russia-Ukraine war cannot possibly.
Russia and Ukraine's war has also featured prominently on the list of excuses. Russia and Ukraine's war has also featured prominently on the list of excuses. The Russia-Ukraine conflict cannot possibly be responsible for the suffering we're going through.
So, Yero Dramani Mahama, the position on matters bordering a economy and the Akufo-Addo, and say Russia-Ukraine war could never and cannot be a factor that is affecting negatively Akufo-Addo's government, the economy and the Akufo-Addo's government. No, he does not believe in that. Assuming without admitting, we give it to him. Fast forward, Iran, any US, any Israel, any Omontoko Awomoko. All of a sudden, Yero John Dramani Mahama, TNT area, what's it? Yero John Dramani Mahama. Na City News, Enra, City FM 40 at 2 said, Yero John Dramani Mahama said Middle East conflict could hurt African economy. Hey, waga, you study what? Ja rough no away, Yero mama, ja rough no away, Can we ja rough no? You study. You cannot use this as a means of covering your incompetence and ineptitude. If the argument was right yesterday, it is right today. Sesame Jamfi every KG1 brofo. Why the bombs that Putin is throwing to Ukraine has some fallen on Ghana. Yeah, we saw brofo ni biama. The bombs and the missiles and the hypersonic and sonic drones ne wan ne ayatollah ne wan put it on Israel and Tehran no, has some fallen on Ghana in Sami Jamfi's voice. We are asking the question. The bombs that the ayatollah kame na wawone Tehran to Israel, Tel Aviv, and America for Toba Tehran has some falling on Ghana in Sami Jamfi's voice. The bombs that Putin is putting on throwing on Ukraine. We will not sit down today. We will not sit down tomorrow for you to use Russia, US, Israel, Tehran war, which is Iran war, as a means to cover your incompetence. In fact, we don't even know because per your logic, Ghana is immune. Ghana is immune from any extenuating factors that has the possibility of affecting our economy. Per the logic of yesterday, which we are applying the same logic today. Ghana is immune. The economy of Ghana is sovereign. In fact, we are a sovereign nation. And of course, we were in anticipation of such external factors. So under your leadership, Ato Forsen, you ought to have been a different leader, that you anticipated such external factors, and in the event that these external factors should hit in, you have the shocks to be able to withstand such as. Nobody should come and give us any excuses. If excuses was not good for Akufo-Addo's government yesterday, surely it cannot be today. It is a my argument say, Anna Ibrahim Mahama, the Russia Middle East conflict could hurt a African. Oh, yeah, correct. Middle East, any Togo. Middle East, any Burkina. Said yes, Amijam Fikachere said the economy of Iran as it stands now is still thriving. Iran economy is say. So nobody should come and tell us. There is no war in Ghana. There is no war in Togo. There is no war in Burkina. There is no war in Côte d'Ivoire. Ghana is peaceful. So, gentlemen, with the greatest of respect, please, Mr. President, you and Sami Jamfi, the same English, KG1 English, you know.
Saying that these so-called global factors, COVID-19, Russia-Ukrainian war, affected Ghana more than it affected even Ukraine, which is at war with Russia. Why the bombs Putin is throwing to Ukraine? Are we having some of the bombs fall in Ghana here? So look, stop the flimsy and frivolous excuses. Are we saying that these so-called global factors, COVID-19, Russia-Ukrainian war, affected Ghana more than it affected even Ukraine, which is at war with Russia? Why the bombs Putin affected Ghana more than it affected even Ukraine, which is at war with Russia? Why the bombs Putin is throwing to Ukraine? Are we having some of the bombs fall in Ghana here? So look, stop the flimsy and frivolous excuses.
Stop the flimsy and frivolous excuses. I mean, if you I'm preparing to call you to me, we brought for one. I say, Same, with me, we brought for you brought for 1, 2, 1, 2. The bombs that Putin is putting on Ukraine, is it some falling on? I did some. And then, Bacho, the bombs that Tel Aviv is putting on Tehran, and the bombs that Tehran is reprisal attacks from Tehran, it has no effect on our economy. Let's make that very clear. Obiatim may use as an excuse. That point needs to be established. Now, Yanko World Cup so. Yera Kofi Adams says what the Ghana police for America. The joke is just too much. The main topic I'm busy. The main topic I'm person can was say Kofi Adams say Ghana Black Stars Management Committee were budgeted $310,000 as appearance fee. And you payment to appearance fee keke. Appearance fee. Were budgeted $310,000 at the management committee. Now, budget saying that or they John Dramani Mahama said they should be transparent with the Ghanaian taxpayers' money. And for that matter, whatever budget that Black Star is going with, it must be made open. And guess what? Yera Kofi Adams said budget a Black Stars for a day call. Now, Yediako World Cup on 13,767,965 13 million, almost $14 million. World Cup no. Budget our model call a 14, almost 14 million. You call a decimal point. When it is above 7, after the decimal point, you raise it. So almost $14 million. And almost one more they call World Cup aqua free. Now 14 million 2022 Akufo-Addo a pencil. You had 5.4 million the core a year World Cup. 2022 you had 5.4 million and a core World Cup. Ghana force and Tibida Akufo-Addo you reckless. Akufo-Addo over expenditure. A diaben no my joy online, my joy news. Now we mudimirika no makofa abebom you diaben my joy for the no I now my joy for the headline abetum 4.4 million appearance fees and worse. The GFS preposterous 2020. Hey, and then you had almost 14 million. 4 years down the lane, from 2022 to 2026, 4 years, you had almost 14 million. Triple of what was used in 2022. And yet, my Joy Online headline be my Joy Online for so monte. If the afraid journalist for Niama journalist for no slot. Say journalist ni be a so kobia. Waiting here for any party abenti and gokan wasem. And gokan wasem. 14 million yinti. Randy Abe. I want no sabrenka cocoa board and somewhere kosuo. 14 million inti. Randy Abe resign free appointments committee of Black Stars. Randy Abe so one sign. Ewa abera cocoa board for yenti mintria eye cocoa akuyafoka. Cocoa akuyafosu Randy Abe no eye cocoa board CEO no esen kwotena omaimu no hwe no. Randy Abe se da bi. Oba occupy cocoa board. No asa akwaje 14 million mu bi as a chairman of the appointees of Black Stars Management Committee. Black Stars Management Committee. Randy Abe so obetena ho agisika cocoa board. Na emom ni yakwa World Cup on hwe cocoa akuyafo. Osabe ye chairman of the appointment committee no akwaje. Teyin no aje. Randy Abe wu akoko akuyafo osu no. Sese osikoko akuyafo minimo no mumfam asamko me kwa World Cup asikoko. Eti Randy Abe na ne asa ama the chairman of a appointment committee of Black Stars. And these two appointments are very demanding, being chairman of the appointment committee of Black Stars. And John Dramani Mahama is still sitting down, making sure that Randy Abe is not paying attention to Koko Akuyafo. And Ayo Biafe, Nieto Main Mubian Timinka. Ayo Biafe, if say Randy Abe, John Mahama, Adamfo, Randy Abe, Lordina Mahama, Enipa. Na Lordina Mahama, or interest to Koko Board, or Panombuza's interest, Venom so. When you opuni time opuni wo no no interest na no maybe na boy magu masum so na tracks bia ye say na ye say na Lordina Mahama no wono tracks no na bi ye say na ko wie say no mo twe fertilizer pa na ko wie say na ye say na Lordina Mahama na ye say na ko wie say eti Koko board ho de Lordina Mahama wo interest na Randy Abe ne Lordina chocho mucho pa. It is any Randin Lodina Echocho Muchone Randia Bedia. Yes, I can when ye if it's one to the interest of a Lodina. Sa no mo ka na do market for me ka che omso da bi nya no kore omso ya no kore ka de me so onya no kom se ya no kore omso oh lodina ayi opuni time no ekoye sei ana wie sei fertilizer bi ye sei ana ye sei na tracks bi no ye sei na lodina de no ko wie sei we mpani kasa wu Jamaica no utia utimi decode ne ye pa that means o ten komo no ase eti se omo dan wo mo ho no omo ba ese ye pekwan bi so ne ma eye lodina boy which is Randiabe ekɔhyɛ hɔ eti Randiabe no wɔ hɔ no enye kokɔ akuyafo mu nti no wɔ hɔ hwɛ mo ani so brimo Lord na mama yese ebe kwa ko yese na yese na tracks etwe kokɔ fertilizer ayese na hu sika no abe yese ekɔ yese contract no be yese ko be yese ko. So the interest of Lord Mama is superseding that of the Kukwekuyafo. That is why Randiabe can occupy such a sensitive position and yet still occupy another sensitive, demanding position as a year. Eti Kukwekuyafo muntumuna Randiabe wakwa Black Star match. Randiabe ekwa almost $14 million yekuchianum chuspedede. Appearance fee. Appointments committee appearance fee inquire $300 and something thousand US. It's a magic of Randiabe resign. I won't resign net and resign China. Waji two most powerful positions, you know. Wajia bosu say tam. Ube de a watch abonensa. Abetina bebusam. Have I cost anything? Have I cost anything? It's a magic of Randiabe resign. Anyano krene. Anyano krechina. Anyano krechinechi. And so can now yade mo sorry no memamo last announce okay bro enti sikano yaje so yento okay aba Samuel akosa jemfi Samuel minim de obezo ka wo na de oka bia so ye no kore mapene so ajei ma mi okay na yaka why you for the NSS National Service bamucho me the announcement we mamu National Service force men kan kire o se wa mo ba be demonstration if say yentua o allowance October November December January ebisine yentua etimbamcho enye wayi fo nkwa ne yentua ai aban no ni sika ye obi a de koto private jet na mu yeni bi editua National Service worker e ba be ma announcement me did Okatakyie Afrifa mensa and be sure we see when I seven na samengu like to say ya can say Eradius was something up there. Now I'm not